Hi, I'm Stuart and this is Luke from Croyde Medical, and this is the Croyde Variable Height Cot. So a couple of things that you notice straight away: it's obviously on wheels. It has 75mm casters, which makes it really easy to move around the room or move in between room areas. And each of the casters are able to be individually braked, so you can lock it safely into position when you get to where you're going. The most endearing quality about this cot is that it has height adjustment. So you see there, Luke has just depressed the pedal, which allows the gas spring to release, and it allows you to move the height of the cot up to the perfect working height for you as the midwife, or for the mother. Beauty of that, of course, is that if the mother has had a section, for example, it takes away a lot of the bending and twisting afterwards. And of course, it also comes with a storage basket here as well, which is removable for cleaning, but that also moves up and down with the height of the bassinet as well. The height range adjustment is 97 centimetres to 124 centimetres. One of the other features that you've got is the Trendelenburg feature. So if you are looking to get the baby's head elevated, then all you do is just lift up the crib and pop the handle underneath, and that gives you 12 degrees of Trendelenburg tilt. And when you're done with that, just reverse that motion to put it all back to being flat. One of the really nice things, and the reason a lot of people buy this particular cot, is this base frame here. So that's actually 150mm or 15 centimetres high, which means that it gets under the vast majority of hospital bed frames. The beauty of that, of course, is that it means that the cot can go underneath the frame, and the crib can then be positioned over the top of the mattress and right in front of the mum. And of course, then when she's finished breastfeeding, for example, or finished that skin-to-skin contact, she can just pop the baby back into the crib and keep the baby nice and safe. And of course, then once you're done, that can then just be moved away from the bed, and she can have it co-located at the side of the bed, so she's still within easy reach of the baby. So just a couple of other things to mention. First one is, you'll notice that the colour of it is like a lavender type colour on this demonstration unit. We can actually powder coat it to any colour. So if you're looking for a specific colour or theme to be achieved, then we can actually do any RAL colour to match that or contrast it. And the other thing is that obviously we have the basket on this particular version. You do have the option to switch that, and you could have a shelf, for example. So we do have another cot, which is its big brother, which is the variable height cot with storage, and this version does have the pull-up shelf. So if Luke just moves that one up, you can see that that shelf just pulls up into position like that, and you'll notice that it's got lipped edges around the top, so that drinks and other items can't just get knocked off. And of course, once you're done with that, it is quite a large table as well, which is good. And of course, once you're done, you just fold that back down. So I think that's everything, but if you do have any other questions for things that are not covered in this video, please feel free to drop us an email at the address that you can see on screen now, or alternatively give us a call on the number that you can also now see. Thanks.